Thank you for viewing the CurrentWare presentation. This webinar will last less than 8 minutes. We will discuss typical sources of internet threats that companies face, stats on the average browsing time a typical employee spends on the internet, types of companies that use our product architecture and features, product licensing, and technical demo. Companies face many threats when employees access the internet. Malicious software may be downloaded, high bandwidth usage, abuse of social media, impacts on productivity, data theft, and as a result, there may be legal liability to the company. Here are some interesting stats. 40% of employees' internet use is not work-related. Watching sports or online shopping is common. 80% of employees admit to using social media at work at some point. Productivity is affected greatly. If one employee abuses it for 1 hour a day, the cost is $5,000 a year. These are compelling reasons to use internet management software. Here are our typical customers. As you can see, we have the U.S. House of Representatives, Johnson & Johnson, Swatch, and several others. Our solution is scalable. It works well in small and medium businesses, as well as large enterprises. We have companies ranging from 10, 500, to 3,000 employees successfully using CurrentWare. The CurrentWare suite includes 4 modules. You may install all or some of the solutions. All modules work off the same common server console and client agent. For example, if your main need is to monitor internet usage and generate a report, just license the Browse Reporter module. A brief note on the architecture. CurrentWare is very easy to install and use. It is completely software-based and does not require a special appliance. The CurrentWare server console may be installed on Windows 7, 8, 10, or Server 2008 or Server 2012. The console is very intuitive and helps you create policies per user, by group, by department, or by location. You may also install multiple consoles so various managers and IT administrators may access it. The client agent can be deployed by Active Directory, batch script, remotely from the console with our built-in installer, or by network share. For smaller installations, simply use a USB stick. Now let's go through the features of each module. Browse control. So you can see here you can restrict internet with allowed list and block list. UR category filtering. You can block applications, downloads, ports. Internet quota allocation scheduler. Option for using offsite management as well. Now for Browse Reporter. As you can see here, you can report internet browsing activity by computer or user. You can isolate unproductive employees, monitor bandwidth usage, remote screen captures, receive email alerts when users hit thresholds, as well as reports. And you can run the product in a visible mode or a stealth mode. So some sample reports. You can run a site's visited report, a URL report, a top domain by browsing time, total browsing time, hour or weekly browsing time, URL category, bandwidth usage, daily and weekly. Access Patrol can block endpoint devices such as DVD, USB, Bluetooth, iPhones, etc. You can read, write, and block permissions, create device allowed list, report on device activities and file transfer history, reduce data leakage as well as viruses. Enforced policies will apply to both on-site and off-site computers. Power Manager. Basically, it allows you to save energy by turning your machines on and off at scheduled times. And about our licensing. An important note about that is that CurrentWare has permanent license keys. It is a one-time fee which includes 12 months of support and upgrades. What are the next steps? A technical demo recording is available, and we encourage you to view and download our CurrentWare software for evaluation. We look forward to hearing from you, and our support team is available to help. Thank you very much for viewing this presentation, and have a great day.